Korea has made a global statement by unveiling its new generation fighter jet. Known for its lack of aviation history, the Korean military has consistently intrigued the world. The debut of this advanced aircraft has drawn global attention, surprising even nations at the forefront of military technology. As Korea tests this new addition to its arsenal, pressing questions emerge. What are the true capabilities of this aircraft? Can it match the hype surrounding it, or is it merely a symbolic display of power? Join us as we delve into the features of North Korea's new generation KF-21 jet that has shocked the United States. The United States, China, Russia, the United Kingdom, France, and Sweden share a significant achievement. All these nations can build advanced supersonic fighter jets. Korea has now joined this exclusive group. The country stunned the world by creating its KF-21 Boramae fighter jet. Until the KF-21, Korea's achievements in aviation were relatively modest. Its primary contributions were the KT-1 Wung-B, a subsonic single-engine turboprop trainer, and the T-50 Golden Eagle, a two-seat supersonic combat trainer. While these aircraft demonstrated engineering capability, they were not in the same league as advanced multi-role fighters. Then, in a bold move, Korea unveiled the KF-21, a cutting-edge 4++ generation multi-role fighter jet capable of competing with some of the most advanced aircraft in the world. To understand the importance of the KF-21, it's essential to look at Korea's current air fleet. The Republic of Korea Air Force is sizable, but many of its aircraft are outdated. It operates 19 F-4 Phantom IIs, a design used by the United States during the Vietnam War. This reliance on aging platforms has become a significant concern for Korea, particularly given its strategic challenges. North Korea, led by Kim Jong-un, poses a constant military threat with its growing arsenal of missiles and conventional forces. Additionally, China's expanding military presence in the region and Russia's influence further highlight the need for Korea to modernize its air force. The limitations of Korea's current fleet left the country with little choice but to develop a more advanced fighter jet to ensure its national security and maintain a balance of power in the region. The KF-21 project began in 2001 when then-President Kim Dae-jung announced the initiative. Initially called the KF-X program, it aimed to create a next-generation fighter jet tailored to Korea's defense needs. Over time, the program evolved, with the name changing from KF-X to KF-X and eventually to KF-21. This aircraft represents a major leap forward for Korea's defense industry. It is a 4++ generation fighter, meaning it incorporates many advanced technologies typically seen in fifth-generation fighters, such as stealth capabilities and high-tech avionics, while still being slightly less expensive and easier to maintain. The KF-21's development marked a significant milestone for Korea, not just in terms of military capability, but also as a statement of its growing technological and industrial strength. By achieving this, Korea has positioned itself as a major player in the global aerospace industry and demonstrated its ability to innovate and produce state-of-the-art military hardware. The journey of the KF-21 Boramae is a testament to how a nation with limited aviation history can achieve remarkable progress through determination and strategic. Korea's project to develop a new fighter jet has been a significant undertaking led by Korea Aerospace Industries, the country's top aircraft manufacturer, and the Agency for Defense Development, which operates under the Ministry of Defense. Although discussions about the project began earlier, the actual implementation of the program didn't start until 2010. A major milestone was reached in December 2015 when KAI was awarded the contract to carry out the full-scale development of the fighter, then referred to as the KF-X. The terms of the contract included the construction of 6 flight prototypes and 2 ground test models, marking the beginning of an ambitious phase of development. Since the award of the contract in 2015, the development of the fighter has progressed at a rapid and efficient pace. The United States has provided critical support to Korea throughout the program. Lockheed Martin, a leading U.S. defense and aerospace company, shared over 20 advanced technologies used in the design and manufacture of the F-35A, a fifth-generation multi-role fighter jet. These technologies have significantly contributed to the development of Korea's fighter aircraft. However, the program faced challenges when certain critical technologies, such as electronic warfare systems, advanced AAR radars, and optical sensors, were prohibited from being transferred due to U.S. government restrictions. In response, Korean engineers undertook the task of independently developing these advanced systems, successfully overcoming the technological hurdles. The KF-X fighter, now officially named the KF-21 Boramae, features a design that bears similarities to the F-22 Raptor, another advanced fighter jet developed with Lockheed Martin's involvement. However, the KF-21 is slightly smaller in size and tailored to meet Korea's specific defense needs. It is a single-seat, twin-engine aircraft with a sleek aerodynamic design. The fighter incorporates a double-keel tail structure and is equipped with internal weapon bays, allowing it to maintain a stealth profile by reducing its radar signature. The final technical design of the KF-X fighter was approved in September 2019, following extensive research and development. Construction of the first prototype began shortly thereafter at KAI's aircraft manufacturing plant in Sachin. On April 9, 2021, the first prototype was publicly unveiled, marking a significant achievement in Korea's defense development history. The project represents Korea's largest and most costly military development effort to date. The total budget for the KF-X program is estimated at 18.6 trillion won, equivalent to approximately 16.6 billion. Of this amount, 8.6 trillion won was allocated specifically to research and development activities. The remaining budget for the KF-21 project is dedicated to constructing production models, starting on July 19, 2022. The KF-21 began flight testing over Sangwon Air Base, with evaluations planned to extend until 2028. These tests include integrating and launching hypersonic missiles manufactured in Korea, showcasing the country's focus on domestic advancements in aerospace and defense technology. The KF-21 is officially classified as a 4+ generation fighter jet. However, many aviation experts argue that it incorporates several design and technology elements borrowed from the F-35, granting it capabilities similar to those of 5th-generation fighters. This technological overlap positions the KF-21 as a potential game-changer for Korea's defense strategy. The KF-21 is a single-seat, twin-engine fighter jet designed with a conventional aerodynamic structure. The aircraft features a high-mounted trapezoidal wing, which provides stability and enhanced lift. At the rear of the fuselage, it includes a one-piece horizontal stabilizer capable of rotation, enabling precise pitch adjustments. Additionally, the KF-21 is equipped with 2 vertical stabilizers positioned at a slight outward angle. These stabilizers have multiple functions. They reduce radar visibility, act as aerodynamic brakes, and improve control characteristics by creating torque during dives. These design elements ensure better handling during high-speed maneuvers. Although the KF-21 lacks prominent root extensions between the wings and the fuselage, which are commonly seen on other advanced fighters, it compensates with lateral pointed edges on the fuselage. These edges help generate vortices, enhancing aerodynamics and stability. This feature resembles the vortex-enhancing design used in the F-22 Raptor, further emphasizing the influence of 5th-generation fighter technology on the KF-21's development. The cockpit canopy of the KF-21, developed by the American company Techstars, reflects a similar level of advanced engineering. In terms of dimensions, the KF-21 has a wingspan of 11.2 meters, a length of 16.9 meters, and a height of 4.7 meters. The aircraft's maximum takeoff weight is 25.4 tons, which is 10 tons lighter than the Russian Su-35 and 5 tons lighter than the American F-35A. The KF-21 is capable of reaching speeds up to Mach 1.9, approximately 2,300 kilometers per hour, with an operational range of 2,900 kilometers. These specifications make the KF-21 competitive with other advanced fighter jets in terms of speed, range, and overall performance. The KF-21 is powered by 2 engines, each equipped with round nozzles. However, these engines lack thrust vectoring capabilities, which are often essential for achieving high levels of maneuverability in 4++ generation aircraft. Without thrust vectoring, questions arise about how the KF-21 will meet the expectations for supermaneuverability. Despite this limitation, the combination of aerodynamic design, advanced technology, and domestically developed systems positions the KF-21 as a significant step forward for Korea's military aviation sector. The ongoing tests and planned enhancements suggest that the KF-21 could play a crucial role in future defense strategies, both for Korea and its potential export partners. The KF-21 fighter jet, developed by Korea, uses advanced propulsion systems based on the American General Electric F414 engines. These engines, produced under license in Korea, feature afterburners that generate a maximum thrust of 9,900 kilograms and a standard thrust of 5,900. While slightly less powerful, Japan's IHI XF-51 engines, used in the X-2 Shinshin aircraft, serve a different operational purpose. The X-2 is lighter than the KF-21, reflecting its distinct role and design priorities. The dual-engine setup of the KF-21 allows it to achieve sustained supersonic flight without relying on afterburners, a performance feature that demonstrates its engineering maturity as a modern fighter aircraft. The airframe of the KF-21 incorporates design elements typical of fifth-generation jets, with air intakes positioned on both sides of the cockpit. These intakes are connected to S-shaped ducts that reduce the aircraft's radar signature by shielding the first stages of the engine compressors. This design choice minimizes radar reflectivity, contributing to the aircraft's stealth profile. Additionally, the jet is outfitted with a cutting-edge radar system with active electronically scanned array technology and advanced electronic warfare equipment. These systems align the KF-21 with the capabilities of contemporary fifth-generation aircraft. In terms of armament, the KF-21 features 10 external hardpoints, 6 under its wings and 4 beneath its fuselage. These hardpoints are designed to carry a wide range of weapons, including air-to-air missiles like the Meteor, Iris-T, and the AIM-120 AMRAAM. The latest variant of the AIM-120 has a range of up to 180 kilometers, making it a formidable weapon for engaging enemy aircraft. For ground attack missions, the KF-21 can be equipped with Taurus KEPD-35 cruise missiles, which have a range exceeding 500 kilometers. The aircraft's total payload capacity is an impressive 7,700 kilograms, ensuring it can carry a diverse arsenal to meet various combat scenarios. While the KF-21 currently lacks internal weapon bays, which some argue increases radar visibility, this design decision is not unprecedented. The F-35, another fifth-generation aircraft, can carry weapons externally when needed, even though it is primarily designed for internal storage. Similarly, China's J-20 stealth fighter features external design elements, such as under-fuselage fins, that slightly increase its radar cross-section. It is important to note that the KF-21's maiden flight on July 19, 2022 involved a prototype, and some design aspects were likely tested for functionality rather than finalized for operational use. Future iterations of the aircraft may address concerns related to internal weapon storage, further enhancing its stealth capabilities. The KF-21 has undergone a rigorous development process aimed at creating an aircraft with high-end capabilities while ensuring cost-effectiveness. The jet has been designed in 3 stages: Block 1, Block 2, and Block 3. Block 1 focuses on achieving air superiority with a design that allows it to perform well in combat, primarily in a fighter role. Block 2 is intended to enhance its capabilities by introducing a multi-role version, which will allow the aircraft to perform a wider range of missions, from air-to-ground attacks to air policing. The specifics of Block 3 are still largely unknown, but it is expected to further improve on both the aircraft's capabilities and performance. During its development, good design solutions were integrated into the aircraft, while less effective ideas were scrapped and replaced by better alternatives. For example, while the initial production models of the KF-21 will not have internal weapon bays, future generations are expected to include these features. Judging by photos of the aircraft assembly, it's clear there's enough space in the airframe to incorporate internal compartments for weapons, which could be introduced in Block 2 or Block 3. This change would further enhance the aircraft's stealth capabilities by reducing its radar signature. When it comes to classifying the KF-21 by generation, there is some ambiguity. In terms of super maneuverability, the KF-21 falls short. This is a feature that is not only missing in the KF-21, but also in other prominent fifth-generation fighters like the F-35, J-31, and the early models of the J-20. However, the KF-21 does include a number of critical features that align it with modern, advanced fighter jets. It boasts multi-role functionality, meaning it can perform both air-to-air and air-to-ground missions, a crucial asset in modern warfare. Additionally, it is equipped with a cutting-edge AESA radar, which provides high-performance tracking and targeting capabilities, even in challenging environments. One of the standout features of the KF-21 is its ability to fly at supersonic speeds without the use of afterburners, making it fuel-efficient while maintaining high speed. The aircraft also incorporates stealth technology, which helps reduce its visibility on radar, making it more difficult for enemy aircraft to detect. Despite these advanced features, the KF-21 lacks internal weapon bays, a defining characteristic of fifth-generation fighters, which limits its classification as a true fifth-generation aircraft. In comparison to the 4++ generation fighters, however, the KF-21 excels in stealth and radar technology, but is somewhat less capable in terms of super maneuverability. The KF-21 will primarily serve in the Korean Air Force and will replace older, less capable aircraft like the F-4 Phantom. Korea plans to produce 100 to 150 units for its needs, improving its air combat capabilities. Indonesia has also shown strong interest, with plans to acquire 50 units. Indonesia intends to replace its aging Russian-made Su-20 and Su-30 fighters, following a failed deal for Russian Su-35 jets due to pressure from the US and potential sanctions. This move opens the door for the KF-21 to establish a foothold in East Asia. While there's interest from other countries such as Turkey, no concrete deals have been finalized yet. Egypt in particular may look to the KF-21 as a viable alternative after its canceled order for Su-35s, which were redirected to Iran. This could further boost the KF-21's international presence. In the global market, the KF-21 faces competition from the Chinese FC-31, another light, multi-role, fifth-generation fighter. Both aircraft are designed to offer a cost-effective alternative to the F-35, appealing to nations seeking high-performance fighters at a more affordable price. The KF-21, with its combination of stealth, radar, and supersonic speed, is positioned as a strong contender in this market, offering modern capabilities without the hefty price tag of Western alternatives. In recent years, several fighter jets have emerged, each aiming to challenge and replace the F-35, which has long been one of the leading aircraft in many air forces worldwide. Among the new contenders are the Turkish TFX and the Russian Su-75. These two jets, both under development, are designed to compete with the F-35 by incorporating cutting-edge technologies that promise to push the boundaries of stealth, speed, and maneuverability. Both countries are investing heavily in these projects, hoping to break into the market dominated by the F-35 and other established aircraft. In addition to these, we can't overlook the powerful European fighters that continue to compete globally. The Saab Gripen, Dassault Rafale, and Eurofighter Typhoon are modern, highly capable aircraft that have proven their worth in various air forces across the world. Each of these jets has unique capabilities and features that make them strong contenders in the ongoing global competition for air dominance. While the F-35 remains a central player in many air forces, the field is far from settled, with nations continuously seeking the best aircraft to meet their needs. Amidst this competitive environment, one of the most interesting developments is the KF-21, a Korean fighter jet that is still in the early stages of its development. The KF-21 has already attracted significant attention, both for its advanced design and the ambition behind its development. It's clear that Korea, through Korea Aerospace Industries, is aiming to create a jet that can compete with the best in the world. While it is still in the testing and development phase, the KF-21's sleek design and advanced technology have sparked optimism about its future potential. However, developing a fighter jet that can successfully enter the global market is no easy feat. History has shown that many ambitious and promising projects often fail to meet expectations or face serious setbacks that prevent them from becoming serious players. Despite these challenges, the KF-21 stands out as a jet that seems to have the potential to succeed where others have faltered. It combines modern technologies, a powerful design, and Korea's growing capabilities in aerospace engineering, making it a strong contender in the years to come. As we watch the KF-21's progress, it will be fascinating to see how it competes with other top-tier jets like the F-35, TFX, Su-75, Gripen, Rafale, and Typhoon. If it can overcome the hurdles of development, the KF-21 could very well emerge as one of the world's leading fighter jets, carving out a place for itself in a crowded market. Only time will tell, but the excitement surrounding this project is undeniable. Thanks for watching. While you are still here, click on the link on your screen to check out another of our videos. See you there.